the solution to this example, the first thing we need to do is, in order to identify if something's a duplicate across that many columns, Excel's not great with formulas that run across all these columns. So we're going to create a column here, and what this is going to do is just combine all these cells together. So we're going to use concatenate, and we're going to say we just want it to look there, and then there, and there. So all we've done is hopefully create a unique listing. So you'll see it looks like that, and on its own it doesn't look very useful. But keep in mind, now we can tell Excel to look how many times it sees that in this list, and because it's an exact concatenation of these, it should help us with it. Now, in order to check for duplicates, what we want Excel to do is to say, look at that and see if you can see it again anywhere in this list. Another way to say that is, please Excel, count how many times you see this item in this list all the way down to the bottom. So in that case, we're going to use our count ifs. So we could use count if, but I'm going to use count ifs. And all I've got to say is, what's the criteria? So I'm going to go there first and say that's the criteria. And where's the range? I'm going to highlight the entire range and put it in $signs. When I say OK, it tells me 2. So it means that it's seen this twice. I can double click, and what you'll see is I've got lots of 2s, and then I've got some 1s. So we want to just know where the unique ones are. So what I can do, I'm just going to put my filter on. And now that I've got a filter, I can just go here and say I'm only interested in the uniques where there's a 1 here. And you'll see the list is quite short. And then I can take that and copy it and paste it somewhere. So for now, because where I want to go is hidden, I'm just going to paste it there. You can see the numbers are there. And I can copy and paste this here.